Hi, Wes Lee with your weekly Mesonet weather report. A cold polar vortex hit the U.S. this week, bringing with it some of the coldest temperatures the country has seen in a long time. Temperatures Wednesday in the northern plains were some of the coldest spots on the earth as the front moved south and east. Fortunately, Oklahoma only got a glancing blow of these extreme conditions. The lows on January the 30th had many of the northern tier of counties reaching down into the low teens and even single digits. Eva reached the lowest at 8 degrees, but Boise City and Newkirk were close behind at 9. January has had sort of a split personality when it comes to temperatures. Looking at this chart, we see the long-term average air temperature for January in the blue shaded area. The red line is the observed 2019 average temperatures. We see that the first half of the month was much warmer than normal, however the second half fell way below what was expected. There is good news for those of you who are ready for a warm-up. Forecasted temperatures for Sunday, February the 2nd, are expected to climb all the way up into the 70s, and the following week is also projected to be warmer than normal. Now here's Gary with information on some drying areas of the state.
Thanks, Wes, and good morning, everyone. Well, it was fun while it lasted. We went a few weeks there without any color on our Drought Monitor map, and unfortunately, we have a little bit of downy yellow starting to creep back in. Let's get right to that Drought Monitor map and see what we have. As you can see, down in far southwestern Oklahoma, in Harmon County generally, a little bit of yellow there. That's that abnormally dry conditions category on the Drought Monitor. That signifies areas going into drought this time. Sometimes this area is going out of drought. This time it's an area coming into drought or possibly with drought as we go into the future. A little bit dry there. If we go to our Mesonet consecutive days with less than a quarter inch of rainfall map, we can see that area down in southwestern Oklahoma has gone more than a month without significant rainfall. Now the rest of the state, from 7 up to 3 weeks of rain or without rain, and then out in the Panhandle they're also getting a little bit dry. Out in eastern Texas County and also western Cimarron County, more than a month there as well. So we do have parts of the state that are starting to dry out, and we are getting concerned about those areas. So how have we done with January? We are wetter than normal for the most part. If we look at the observed rainfall from the Mesonet for January, we see less than an inch across western Oklahoma. That's not that concerning too much because it's a dry month anyway, and over into eastern Oklahoma the rainfall amounts increased dramatically up to more than 5 inches up in northeastern Oklahoma. So we are getting a little bit dry down in southwestern Oklahoma. It's something we'll have to watch as we go into the future and we start to warm up as we go into spring. Hopefully we can get some rainfall out there, head off any drought conditions, but we'll keep an eye on it. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.